Okay, so coming to the end of the series, a very important question which I personally think is going to help everyone out there is how to be strong and maintain that calm during the preparation. Like when you get to hear so many things like this exam is not doable, you need at least 2 to 3 attempts to pass, you are useless, you did not do anything in India, that's why you went abroad, and now you're coming to India, no one will value you and you're not worth it. So, after hearing all these things, how did you stay strong and know I want to do it and I will show it to everyone? So, what was that motivation behind it?
First, we want to we have to believe ourselves that we can clear this FMG. Uh, FMG is not that much difficult, according to me. Easily, see, if you take my friend, he's my close friend. He didn't study in college days. He used these 4.5 months only. He just picked up some important points and he passed with 150 marks, 153 marks. So passing FMG is not a difficult thing. This you should believe, first of all,
Mm-hmm.
and please avoid the negative people that always used to say that it's very difficult, you can't clear it in first attempt, it will take 2 or more attempts. And some people are saying that December attempt is very difficult and June attempt is very easy, that you can
Mm-hmm.
if you like prepare in June attempt, wait for June, like that they are saying. So it's not like that. I heard that one June attempt was very difficult and very less percentage came in
Mm-hmm.
2007 or 6, I don't know. So
Mm-hmm.
it's not like that. And keep avoiding from negative people who always say like this. And as I understood, please avoid those seniors who are not who didn't study anything at the university, and also they didn't study it during like preparation. Also, they didn't study nothing, and they used to keep telling to the juniors that uh, you can't crack FMG.
Yeah.
My thing is like I have seen many seniors like this. They always say like you can't crack. See me like uh, like 4 to 5 attempts I can't clear. No,
Mm-hmm.
nothing like that. Their problem is they didn't study in at least in their preparation time. So avoid
Mm-hmm.
those seniors. I'm not saying all the seniors. Some seniors gave us beautiful advices. So take it that, and don't watch more strategies on YouTube, and don't clump all together and mix it. Try it and take the things that you can 1 or 2 months. If it is okay, continue. If it is not, leave it and follow your style, follow your preparation.
Mm-hmm.
What I am telling is what I felt good, I did like that. So
Mm-hmm.
what your if you follow my strategy, if it is okay, you can follow. But if you it's not for you, then leave it and follow your strategy. So
True.
that's what I want to say.
So very good. With some very good points which you have shared here. Like you have to know yourself first of all, and you have to
Yeah,
get the reason why you are doing it. So
yeah,
make your own strategy, get to know like what things work for you and what not. So when you
yeah,
make your own path, then only you can work on that for a longer amount of time, longer period of time. Okay, so don't
yeah.
just follow anyone blindly. If someone has said that, you can listen to it and then you can analyze it on your own, like if it is actually helpful for you or not, right?
Yeah, yeah, and don't do much experiment on these preparation times. Um like follow your style. Don't do much experiments on this time. It's very crucial. 4.5 months is very crucial. Don't try these. If you want to try those experiments, you should have did in your university times, right? So
Mm-hmm.
don't follow. Don't like try any experiment. More experiment. I am saying more
Yeah.
strategies. Don't try it.
Mhm.
Just go with your style.
Okay. So, any message or anything you want to tell to the juniors, those who have just started, like they're in first, second year? So, what would be the message, the takeaway message from this series to them, if you want to put it in some words?
Yeah. For my juniors, what I want to say is like getting 3 in classes is not important. That everyone can do, that everyone can pass easily from Ukraine. Nearly like 95% of students can easily pass through without a basic knowledge. That's not a big deal. Getting 3 is not important. You should, if you get 3 also, you should have studied something. At least watch some short videos, take short notes over the class, at least take some important points, at least listen something what teacher saying, because if you didn't have any basic knowledge in your university times, you can't clear FMG. I'm saying at least you should have some basic knowledge. And I'm saying to all the juniors who are studying in first, second, third years, start preparing for FMG from now itself. You can do many experiments. You can follow any strategies. You have a 6 years long period. You can try anything. Do it now itself. Don't. So if you take me, I studied only little. No, it will not be useful. If you start from first year itself, you gain much knowledge, and it doesn't mark doesn't matter. So your experiment and your learning, your knowledge matters. So start preparing from first year itself. Try to complete 2-3 subjects from each year, which you felt important. For example, in first year, try to complete an art, histo, and in second year, try to complete physio, microbio, and histology, physiology, and all. Make sure that in every year you should complete each subject. And I'm saying like if you come to fourth year and in fourth year you don't have any touch in anatomy, I'm saying like repeat those preclinical subjects which you studied in first, second years. Repeat at least once in fourth, fifth year, because you should repeat 2-3 times, right? So in Ukraine, what I understand is these clinical subjects you will be very strong enough, but these preclinical subjects you will easily forget when you come to sixth year. So from fifth year, from fifth year itself, start revising the preclinical subjects, which was very important in FMG. So if you do that, you can crack FMG. Not only crack FMG, you will have much knowledge about medicine.
Very good, very good. So I personally also feel that this exam is more about how strong you are and what kind of thinking abilities you have. If you have a good common sense, then you can easily go through it, right?
Yeah, true.
It's like no need to give 10, 12 hours, 15 hours for 6 long years. As long as you are putting in the right effort for the right duration of time, you will get good results for sure.
Yeah. One of my teacher used to say that for cracking FMG, you don't need two to three brains. Just it's enough. If you do hard work, it's enough. You can easily crack.
Very good. Yeah, that's true. So now you all know we have all the resources for you. We have the application, we have Insta page where we put daily MCQs, we have Telegram channels as well. We have separate YouTube channel for the academic stuff, Inspiring Minds Coaching. You can just check and click somewhere on top for the I button. So that was it from our end. Anything else, Dr. Kalimuthu, which you want to add just to sign off?
Yeah. Just follow the like Inspiring Minds. They are giving some videos or MCQs or anything. Not only I'm saying these things. Just read some things in one like daily basis. Read something, solve some MCQs that they are posting daily, right? So it will be helpful for you. Like for me, I don't have much platform like this. So you have nice platform, use it beneficially, and you will become a good doctor. Thank you.
That it really means a lot. Dr. Kalimuthu, it's not just about to say, I'm saying it frankly, he's one of the most humble person I have met. and in the online sessions we usually don't match the vibes that easily, but I really felt very comfortable conducting a session with him. So thank you so much, Dr. Kalimuthu. If anyone has any doubt, you can just write down in the comment section down below, and I guess Dr. Kalimuthu will surely reply to most of your queries. And
Sure.
so thank you so much. Thank you so much once
Sure,
again.
bro. I'm also very happy to have an interactive session like this. I believe that it will be helpful for all the juniors. Thank you so much, bro.
For sure, for
Thank
sure.
you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, inspiring mind.
We can do more sessions like this in the coming days as well. If the
Okay.
time permits, we can surely plan
Okay.
something more. Thank you so much
Thank
once
you.
again.
Thank you, inspiring mind. Thank you.
Most welcome. Most welcome.